friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw Santa's reindeer together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw a triangle for the nose, then an oval for the muzzle. Draw curved lines for the mouth. Starting from the nose, draw a wavy line, a semicircle for the head, and a diagonal line for the base of the head. Trace the first horn like I do. Now draw a semicircle for the base of the head. And a semicircle for the top of the head. Then a small curved lines for the bottom. Now draw a circle for the pom-pom. Draw 2 circles for the eye. Then the second horn. Draw a vertical line for the neck and a rectangle for the collar. Draw a curved line for the back and a semicircle for the rear part of the body. Wow! Our design is taking shape! Draw the first hind leg with a diagonal line, then another diagonal line, a horizontal line, 2 more diagonals, and a semicircle. Draw a curved line for the belly, and then the front leg with a vertical line, a curve, a small horizontal line, and another curved line. From the collar, move down in a semicircle until you meet the paw line you just drew. Draw a horizontal line for the hoof of the paw. Draw the second front paw with a curved line, 1 horizontal line, and another curved line. Then draw a small horizontal line for the hooves. Draw the last hind leg following the shape of the one already drawn. Draw a curved line for the belly. And draw the tail like I do. Finally, draw the collar bell with a circle. Wow! Our reindeer turned out really well! Good job! Now let's get the colors. Use black for the eye. Use brown for the head, body, and tail. Color the face, belly, and the side of the tail with pink. Use dark brown for the nose, horns, and hooves. Color the collar and hat with red. And use yellow for the collar bell. Wow! Our reindeer is ready to pull Santa's sleigh! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!